Hi.
Hey, so what, like,
Are you sad, Xander?
today we're going to eat the last cough drop. So yeah, I had a storage and this is the last one. Come on, King King.
Okay.
That's it. Come on, come on. I guess we gotta do it.
She's sad. He's sad.
I know. This is the last cough drop. Come on, Anaya. Where's the opener? Okay.
What's the grab? Are you opening it up actually? Are they gonna eat it? Yeah, I should say.
So, I have it until it's gone, and
Is it gone now?
yeah. Is there anything you guys want to say?
No, thank you. I just want to say. Why are you so sad, Xander?
His last cough drop.
That's the last cough drop. You still have it in your mouth.
I know. Anaya,
Are they gonna get done?
talk.
Hi.
Well then, guess we gotta wait. Okay, so.
So now
Wait.
still sad. Are they still
No!
It's okay,
It's
Xander.
good.
Calm down.
It's good.
It's okay, Xander.
It's good. It's good.